All right, let's look at this problem. We're told to factor completely using trial and error. We notice that the number in front is not 1, so we look for common factors. It's like, greatest common factor? And you go, no, there is nothing that we can pull out from all of them. Now, trial and error basically tells you to start with 2 parentheses. You want to split this up, right? And sometimes there's more than one choice, but here the only choice is 3y times y. Right? It doesn't matter if you put y and 3y, you basically end up with the same thing. Now you ignore the middle, you look at the 7, and you go, well, 7 is 7 times 1. Okay, there's only one way to split it. Okay, so now you're going to place in parentheses, you go plus 7 plus 1, but this might not be the right location. Okay, so you got to multiply it out to see if this gives you the correct middle. Right, so that middle term comes from multiplying the outer terms together and the inner terms together. Okay, so I see that if I do these, I get 3y. And if I do these, I get 7y. And if I add the 7y and the 3y, that's going to give me 10y. And that's not correct. Okay, so that means I probably didn't place them correctly. So let's do it again. So I have 3y and y. But now I'm going to put the 1 here and the 7 here. Okay, so let's do these and these. This gives me y. This gives me 21y. And if y plus 21y is 22y. And you go, oh yeah, that makes the correct term. All right, so that means the factoring is 3y plus 1 and y plus 7. Okay, so this is called trial and error method. Basically, you are splitting up the first term, you're splitting up the last term, and you're basically going to switch things around until you get the correct one in the middle. Sometimes you have more than 2 choices, more than one choice on how to split the first and the second term, so you might have a lot more things to try out. Okay.